Welcome students. Today we will discuss the new chapter, new topic, common factors and common multiples. We already discussed factors and multiples. Once again we will discuss common factor, common multiples. We know what is factor, what is multiple, but we will discuss today common factor, what is common factor and what is common multiple. Okay. So if I say find a factor of 4 and 18, how you will find factor? Example, now I am going to find the factor of 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 4 is equal to 4. This much only. So only 2 factors I think. Okay. So in 4 factors of 1, 2 and 4. Totally 3 factors are there in 4. Now I am going to find the factors of 18. 9 2s are 18. Then 6 3s are 18. Then 118 is equal to 18. Is there any other factor? This much only. So the factors of 18. What are the factors? 1, then 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So we know because we already find factor like this only. So such a different for common factor, common multiples. Some different things. The 4 factors 1, 2 and 4, 3 factors are there. In 18's factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Totally how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. Here 3 factors. In these 2 factors, which is the common? It means both numbers of common factors. It means here one is the factor of 4. Here also one is the factor of 4. So both places there are 1. So it's a common place is 1. Then here 2 as a factor of 18 and 2 as a factor of 4 also. So 2 is the common factor. 3, there is no 3. 6, no. 9, no. 18, no. So this is the common factor. Common factor of 4 and 18. 1, 2. These 2 factors are the common factor of 4 and 18. Okay. Okay. Let me discuss another example to find the common factor and multiple. So find the factor of 4 and 15. Before we talk 4 and 18, now we will find the factor of 4 and 15. So first we will find the factors of 4. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. We know this is the factors only in 4. So we already discussed. So the 4 factors 1, 2 and 4. This is the 4 factors, okay. Now we find the 15 factors. So 115 is equal to 15. Is there any other factors? Three fives are 15. Yes, this much only. So the 15 factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So if you find the common factors of both number 4 and 15, 1 and not others, only one common factor of 4 and 15, only one. So in which number have only one factor in both, only one common factor, that number we call co-prime number. What we call that? Co-prime number. So 4 and 15 are the co-prime number. Okay, so 4 and 15 are the co-prime number. Why? Because which pair of number, only one factor, common factor, means not factor, common factor. Which pair of numbers having common factor only one, that number we call the co-prime number. In this case, in this number, these numbers 4 and 15 are the co-prime number. We call as a co-prime number. Okay. Okay, students. Let me find the common factors of 4, 12 and 16. So before we talk two numbers, two pair of numbers, now we are going to find the factors, common factors of 3 pair numbers. So first I am going to find the factors of 4. So already we know, because many times I told you, 1 4 is 4, 2 2s are 4. So the 4 factors are 1, 2 and 4. Next we have to find the common factors 12. So 1 12 is equal to 12, 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12, so these are the factors of 12. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Now we want to find the 16. 8 2s are 16, 116 is equal to 16, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, okay, this much only. So the 16 factors are 1, then 2, then 4, 8, and 16. So the 3 numbers factors are 1, 2, 4. Then 12 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then 16 factors are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So now we are going to find the common factors of these three numbers. So 1, 1, 1. So common factors of 4, 12 and 16 is 1, 2, 2, 2. So 2 is also common factor. Then 4, 4, 4. So these three factors are common factors of 4, 12 and 16. So 1, 2 and 4, these three factors are common factors. Okay.